explained. Even more than that, the little that could be said about this coming reign of God was that preaching in preparation for its arrival had sent John the Baptist to Herod's prison. While I might like to think that I would have left everything to follow Jesus, I have to wonder, would I have done so in the circumstances of these disciples? When I set out to follow Jesus, I already knew who he was. I did so in the comfort and care of my own home. I did so surrounded by family and friends who had made similar claims, similar commitments to follow Jesus as Lord, Master, Savior. I already knew the stories about him. Miracles, the healing, the teaching. Over the years, my understanding of Jesus has shifted somewhat. Over the years, I have come to better understand this reign of God to which we have been invited. I've come to better comprehend what it means to trust the good news about God's reign. Along that journey, I've had to relinquish several birds to embrace God's reign more fully. What birds are we still holding in our hands? What are we still attracted to and clinging to that might impede us from actually following Jesus?